Yeah, I got a MS291 and I had a bit of trouble with the air filter in the winter that came with it, right? That flux or whatever they call it, right? So what I did was I stuck on the HD2. It's the same one that fits on the MS261, right? And while I was at it, I changed spur sprocket to also to a rim sprocket. See, and I don't know, I find it works with less chatter and kind of a, I don't know, it's my imagination, a bit more speed in the cut too. Anyway, it's a fine saw, it works good, I would recommend it to anyone, and I've had bigger saws, I've had pro saws, but you know, this is not bad. I like it. So if you would like the numbers for those, let me see, excuse the video, okay, the number for the rim sprocket is 1141-007-1002. Okay. No, pardon me. That's for the the rim sprocket kit. 1141-007-1002. And for the air filter, let me see if the number's still there. 1141-120-1604. And it's just the basic kit that fits on an MS261 saw, right, you know. And I think you'll have better luck with it. Thank you.